Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's an ex you ran into at a party. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning, where we'll compare the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop and the Waitebird Steam Cleaner. So grab your rubber gloves, and let's see which one can steam clean your floors into a sparkling wonderland. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S3501 is priced at $89, which many reviewers appreciate as a budget-friendly option. They highlight its ease of use and effectiveness on various floor types without leaving streaks. In contrast, the Waitebird comes in at $139. Reviewers note that, while it's pricier, its performance and versatility with multiple attachments justify the cost. If you're looking to save some cash, Shark is your go-to, but for those willing to splurge, Waitebird offers premium features. Now, let's dive into steam power. The Shark S3501 is praised for turning ordinary water into superheated steam, effectively cleaning up messes quickly. However, the Waitebird takes the crown with steam temperatures reaching up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, which reviewers rave about for obliterating tough grime and stains. If you want powerful steam to tackle the dirtiest jobs, Waitebird is definitely the one to beat. Next, we have capacity. The Shark holds 450 milliliters of water, which some users find sufficient for quick cleanups, but it can require frequent refills for larger jobs. On the other hand, the Waitebird boasts a 38 ounces water tank, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Reviewers love this feature, especially when tackling big messes. For those planning a deep clean, Waitebird's larger capacity is a significant advantage. How quickly can these steamers get to work? The Shark heats up in just 30 seconds, which many users find convenient for quick cleaning sessions. However, the Waitebird takes under 5 minutes to heat up. While some may find this lengthy, reviewers appreciate the consistent steam output once it's ready. If you're in a hurry, Shark is your friend. But if you don't mind a slight wait for powerful steam, Waitebird is worth it. Safety is crucial, and the Shark features a soft grip handle, making it user-friendly, especially for those prone to accidents. Reviewers note its comfort during use. In contrast, the Waitebird includes a child safety lock, which is a significant plus for families. Many users highlight this feature, making it a safer choice for homes with kids or pets. If safety is your priority, you might lean towards Waitebird. Finally, let's talk versatility. The Shark is designed for all sealed hard floors, making it a reliable choice for most users. However, the Waitebird comes with an impressive 21 versatile accessories, earning it rave reviews for its ability to clean a wide range of surfaces, from floors to appliances. If you want a one-stop solution for all your cleaning needs, Waitebird is the clear winner here. Overall, both steam cleaners have their strengths. Reviewers appreciate the Shark S3501 for its affordability and ease of use, making it a favorite among budget-conscious consumers. On the other hand, the Waitebird steam cleaner is celebrated for its powerful steam and versatility, making it ideal for those willing to invest a bit more for superior performance. So who's the winner? If you want a reliable, budget-friendly mop that gets the job done, go for the Shark S3501. But if you're ready to splurge for a powerhouse with all the bells and whistles, the Waitebird steam cleaner could be your new best friend. Remember, whether you're Team Shark or Team Waitebird, the key is to clean smart, not hard. If you enjoyed this showdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which steam cleaner you'd choose. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.